Today I want to talk about representation in small claim court. Well, that's easy. I could say that all I have to say is you're not allowed to have a lawyer. The other side is not allowed to have a lawyer, but that's not true. For example, if you sue one of the big companies, let's say, just give an example, Basic, Hot, whatever. They can bring a lawyer who works in the company, who as an employee of that company. They cannot bring another lawyer that is hired for the case. No way. In general, they will bring a clerk and not a lawyer. Yes, but it might be with sometimes that the lawyer represents the other side. You cannot be represented. You're by yourself. Now, this is not that bad because legal questions will not be dealt in that courtroom. The judge will be in the weak person's side if this happens. The other side is say by law, number whatever, name whatever, and it's, sorry, Your Honor, I'm not a lawyer. I don't know the law. The judge will help you. That's fine. So most probably no lawyers are allowed in court. You can bring as many people as you want in court, but they have to stay away from you. When you're talking, they must not give any opinion, speak, disturb, nothing. Number two, you must not look at them. When you're talking to the judge or to the opponent, it's you and them. No one is to be involved, no eye contact at all with a lawyer in the courtroom, a friend, whatever. Now, let's say that you have listened to all these videos and you're good and your lawsuit is just fine and you win. That's not enough. After winning, you have one small problem. I call this the collection problem. Let's say you have a court decision, a ruling, and his or her ID number is in that ruling, that court decision. Fine, then what do? The guy doesn't pay you. The defendant says, okay, I lost, so what? Go look after me. You have a problem. The court, the judge will not help you. They are done. They did their job. Whatever they had to do, they did. It's a ruling now. Finished. Done. From that moment that you have a ruling, after 45 days, he cannot even appeal, which is also another issue. It's not true. In that case, you have to go to the Hotzah Lapa'al. Hotzah Lapa'al is the bailie's office, something like this, is a special office, not in court, where you can ask them to help you to use that court decision, that ruling, against the person that owes you money, because now you have a ruling, and there's only the Hotzah Lapa'al. You do not need a lawyer in that place. Hotzah Lapa'al, you need nothing. Fees are very small, sometimes there are no fees. So remember, if you have a decision, you have the ruling, it doesn't mean that you can collect. You have the right to collect. Collection is another issue. If you don't understand, if you need more information, ask a lawyer. Good luck.